Welcome everyone to today's phone review, and today we have Tecno's new mid-range lineup, the Tecno Camon Premier. Tecno has brought significant improvements across the Camon 20 lineup, which we really love, especially the Camon 20 Premier 5G. Hi, it's Joy from PhonePlace Kenya, and let's get right into the review. Tecno seems to be moving different with its latest releases in terms of design. Most of the recent devices have this leathery finish at the back, and the Camon 20 Premier is not any different. The back design implements these irregular ribs in 3D leech pattern leathery finish, which makes the phone look very stylish. Our unit came in Dark Welkin, but you can also get it in the Serenity Blue. Both colors look really good. On the right side, we have the power button and the volume rocket. At the bottom, we have the USB-C charging port. A firing speaker is along with the main microphone. The screen is just as gorgeous as its back. This is a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen rocking 120Hz refresh rate. Interacting with the phone is pretty smooth, perfect for scrolling social media, browsing the web, and gaming. The screen is beautiful, and that paired with the stereo speaker setup makes up an excellent multimedia consumption experience. The Camon 20 Premier is not just good looking on the outside. The phone is packed heavy under the hood with a Dimensity 850 5G chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. Camon 20 Premier ships with Android 13 and HIOS 13 straight out of the box. This combination delivers incredible performance, be it gaming, doing light office work, while on the go, or switching between apps. This phone is perfect companion for heavy multitaskers. The Camon 20 Premier is a camera-centric smartphone, and Tecno went all out on this one. We get a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens that has sensor shift OIS and support for ultra-steady video, a 108-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus and macro capabilities, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For the front, we have a 32-megapixel selfie camera and an LED flash. Video recording is capped at 4K 30fps, and it gets sharp and well-detailed shots with the right amount of exposure and dynamic range. For all your photography and video needs, the Camon 20 Premier will be the right companion. The battery life is pretty excellent as well. It ships a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging. I got to use it for heavy tasks for a whole day, and I still had some charge left for late night browsing. Moderate to light use will get you almost 2 days. This is a gorgeous smartphone, both front and back, literally. The incredible camera is the cherry on top, as it can take phenomenal photos even in challenging conditions. The super fast charging and long-lasting battery gets a final tick on the Camon 20 Premier 5G, making it a premium mid-range smartphone worth considering. You can get yourself the Tecno Camon Premier 5G for 45,000 Kenyan shillings at our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5, or you can place an order on our website www.phoneplacekenya.com.